We have short-term, mid-term, and long-term plans under Smart Bangladesh ICT Master Plan. So we want to see Bangladesh as upper middle income country by 2030, and we would like to promote public-private partnership, because you know that we are experiencing very age-old, traditional, bureaucratic mindset. We want to change that. That is why we have decided to set up Smart Leadership Academy. We would like to change the mindset, and if we could do this, then we would be able to accommodate more and more private players in our government development works, and by 2030, we'll be able to actually achieve our midterm goals, and then by 2025, we have a target to export $5 billion, to create 3 million jobs, and also to develop 5 unicorns from our startup sector. And by 2031, we want to be upper middle income country, and 2041 must be developed nation as a smart Bangladesh.
I'll bet that you're going to do that. Your Excellency, you get an extra 30 seconds. Go.
Okay, thank you. Infrastructure is our focus, yeah. But we are have more focus on application, on digital economy. Because the value add is on digital economy, not only the infrastructure. Yeah, digital economy, and the ecosystem. That's number one. Number two, on the talent, providing the talent. Yeah, the talent to support this digital economy. This is not only important, but damn important for us.
Thank you. We finished on time. Thank you, everyone. Your Excellencies, this was an extraordinary panel. Everyone, big hand.